Hey guys, Rom Guruji here, back with another episode of hashtag Ask Rom Guruji. Now, before I start with the episode, last time in my Origin OS video, link in the I button, a lot of people had come early and I promised them to give a shout out. So here are your shout outs, guys. First is Monish K. Thank you for being an amazing subscriber, commenting early always. Love you, bro. We also have Rishabh Kumar and Bhaskar Reddy. And thank you so much, guys. Even Murli Krishna Ketha, you guys are amazing. Love you guys. And this was your shout out. So I hope, yes, I remember I uploaded one video, I think yesterday, and people commented that, okay, we haven't received a shout out. Here's your shout out, guys. Come on, I did promise you. Now let's start answering the question of hashtag Ask Rom Guruji. Now, if you guys don't know the rules, every week I will put up a post with the hashtag Ask Rom Guruji. All you have to do is put the hashtag Rom Guruji on top and then ask your question. Remember, your question will only be considered if you're putting the hashtag. So remember to put the hashtag. Now let's start by answering questions for this time. There's just 24 questions and we're going to go very fast today because I have another video of Android 11 update for Iqoo 3 already ready. Go press the I button. Don't you want Android 11 on your Iqoo 3? Let's start. So first, person named Jai Hind, he has put the hashtag. Nice. So Jai Hind has a lot of questions. So let's answer everything fast, okay? Will upgrading to Android 11 decrease my battery life performance or will the company focus on battery optimization? Hi, so the update has first come today and right now the battery seems really good. But I'm not sure will the company has improved all that much, but yes, there is a slight improvement in battery optimization. You do not need to worry, it will not drastically decrease your battery. Second question is UI, and you know it sucks, right? Again, you have said this before, but when will Origin OS come for Iqoo 3 and you sure it will come here in India? So the latest reports that are coming as far as Origin OS goes, that it is not going to be released anywhere other than China, but do not worry, FunTouch OS is the base for Origin OS, so they might do something different for global features because the feature set are different, right? So do not worry about that. The Android 11 update has improved the experience, so I would suggest you go update. Your experience will improve a lot, trust me. And if you want to know what has improved, just click on the I button. I have done a video there, right? Multitasking, can you suggest me what do I do with my phone just kills the background apps and am I the only one? Will the company do something about RAM management? I've excluded apps from battery saving. I've already tried that I manage stuff, but no to avail. Yes, I get that. I had that problem too. But with Android 11, surprisingly, none of my apps are getting closed forcefully. I will give you a feedback later on it. But right now, as far as my testing has gone, Android 11 has improved it. If you are not getting the update, wait for it. Trust me, it's worth the wait. If you were in the Iqoo Connect, you will get the update pretty soon. Right? The home screen, wait, the launcher. I don't like it when I swipe down from home, I get notification, but here I get something called as glow, which is very irritating. So there is nothing you can do about it. Since it's their stock launcher, you can't do anything about it. I would suggest just use a different launcher. That's it. Why is this phone so popular? I mean, come on, man, it has 865 LPDDR5. Okay. It's not because of the UI, it's because of their timing. So when they released, they were the first phone to come with Android 10 and Snapdragon 865. Yeah, they were not the first phone to come with Android 10, sorry, but Snapdragon 865, and they were the cheapest phone to come with Snapdragon 865. The problem was they thought that the COVID thing would not happen and they would have become a huge success. But what happened? COVID happened, they could not ship phones, and another company took their limelight at that moment. Hence, it is very underrated. And after that, a lot of users have felt that the company is been neglecting, they have not launched any new phones. So yeah, it is lagging behind, therefore it is very underrated. Two things the phone lacks, personally, I don't mind them. Stereo speakers, 90Hz display. I know we cannot do anything about stereo. So yes, I do know about the K20 Pro thing, but what do you not know about the K20 Pro hack to actually improve your refresh rate is that it makes your screen a bit laggy and you have this weird, you know, things that come on the screen. So that is why a lot of people have not been doing it on other phones, because it will ruin your experience. So probably would not come, and no OEM themselves would do it. And since we don't have bootloader unlock nor these sources, we will not be able to do it. Like I said, for your developer question, it's simple. We do not have anything. It can't be unlocked. It is not like Oppo. This is the Iqoo phone does not even have the Vivo's base code for bootloader. It has a different base code, so therefore we cannot do anything, right? So yes, your question has been answered. It was a very long question. Thanks for asking. Okay, like I said, the rules are simple. Hashtag Rom Guruji has to be there, right? Will Origin OS or even FunTouch OS 11 bring any kind of battery optimization? This has been asked by GamerX Kush. Yes, battery optimization will come, and that is one of the main features they're introducing because I just use the Android 11 for Iqoo 3 and it's actually pretty good as far as the battery goes. I will tell you how it is when background battery drain and etc. comes. But honestly speaking, yes, they have improved it, but there is a lot of room for improvement and they will do it, right? Hashtag askromguruji, whether Iqoo 3 is dust resistance. This is asked by Divith25. No, it is not dust resistant. It does not have any kind of those certifications. Do not try to do the things that you would do with a certified phone, right? Shubhas SV asks, how are you sure as an Indian user of Iqoo 3 to get the original OS update? Right now, from what the news is coming, I am really unsure for the moment because they've said that they would not release original OS globally. So it might release as a theme or they would spin off something as the global OS. Since they have not launched it globally, there might be a way that Vivo might launch something different globally. So we have to wait for that. Okay. Ayan Sirsar asks, which phone do you think has a better value for money flagship, Samsung Note 20 Ultra or iPhone 12 Pro Max? Samsung Note 20 Ultra. That phone is overkill. Okay, genuinely the amount of features it has, the camera, the performance, everything way better than iPhone 12 Pro Max. I know iPhone 12 Pro Max has a pedigree, but the sheer amount of features you get, especially with S Pen, the cameras, the battery, everything, Note 20 Ultra is clearly the winner for value for money flagship. Iqoo 3 price badly dropped. I was planned to phone Iqoo 3 to Samsung S20 FE, but as price off, can't do anything. As the suggestion ask. So I am assuming you wanted to exchange it, like you wanted to go to Samsung S20 FE and exchange it, but the price for Iqoo 3 has dropped. Yes, it has dropped, but you can get more than what Flipkart is offering you from a site called Cashify. They would give you a little more, but not all that more. Or you can try selling it at OLX. That would fetch you a lot more price, to be very honest, because that would be a fair price what you would offer to directly to as a other customer. Because with all these, like let's say Flipkart or let's say Cashify, they are middlemen. So try directly selling on OLX. That might help you more. Arknetic has asked, and this is the person who suggested the hashtag, I think. Yes. Guruji, how much good is Origin OS compared to Oxygen OS and otherwise? What is your real name? Which state has the highest net speed for downloading Cyberpunk? How many days it will take for downloading? Lol, do you play games? Please make a Iqoo gaming review. Okay, so Iqoo gaming review is so many right now on YouTube that there's no point of making one more, but I will try. Origin OS is good. Right now, even Oxygen OS is becoming very themed and very Oppo-like. So, honestly speaking, all of these Chinese OSs are somehow just comprising to become one, which is very weird and gives me a very scary Black Mirror vibe. And what is my real name? Well, I would tell my name one day, but probably not now. And well, highest net speed in which state? I think it's Bangalore and Mumbai which have the highest net speeds right now. But sadly, if you're downloading Cyberpunk from Steam, it does not matter which state, you're going to get the best speed. If, and I do not support it, if you're torrenting it, is this going to take forever because there are not enough seeders and there are too many leechers, so you will not be getting a good speed. The max you can get is maybe 1 or 2 Mbps depending on your internet. If you have a very fast internet, then you might get some good speed. Still, it will take more than 1 to 2 days to download the whole thing, and then you have to get it patched, and there are too many patches for the bugs there. So yeah, it's going to take you a long time. After that, PJ Avisetti has asked, Iqoo 3 is a great device by keeping aside the OS. Before telling your subs to buy or not, you should let them know the service center of Iqoo which are not available in nearest areas, and in many states even service centers don't exist and pick up and drop. Okay, my personal experience and truth. Well, personally speaking, the service center for Iqoo for me is actually 500 meters away. And I also know people who live in areas where it is in another city itself. See, the brand itself is so small that the reach is difficult. They do tell you to post the phone and they will send it back, everything. But who wants to post their phone? Ship their phone to the company. Do you have a surety nothing will happen? So yes, if you are in a metro city, there is no issue with service centers, pick up and drop, everything. But if you are living in remote areas, make sure you know what you're getting into and there are service centers nearby you. This is a very good question. Not a lot of people have service centers nearby. So make sure you have it where you're buying it, right? Otherwise, honestly, I have not experienced a lot of problem, but there are people who may have dropped their phone or something might have happened. So make sure you have it. If you don't, make sure you have the ability to go to a place where the service center exists rather than shipping them your phone, because it is going to take a lot of time, right? Brutan Patel has asked, what is resale value now of iQOO 3 8GB variant? अभी present में new phone लेना हो तो कौन सा लूँ? My budget is 25,000 for gaming. Okay, hi. तो वृतांत ऐसे है कि अभी iQOO 3 का अगर मैं कैशिफाई पे बोलूँ, मुझे कुछ 12-12.5 हज़ार मिल रहा है और फ्लिपकार्ट पे वही 10-11 हज़ार के आसपास मिल रहे हैं। 25 हज़ार में अगर गेमिंग के लिए फ़ोन लेना है तो अभी थोड़ा वेट कर लो, ऑनेस्टली स्पीकिंग थोड़ा अभी वेट कर लो, क्योंकि एक क्या बोलते हैं, अच्छे और फ़ोन आएंगे जो आपको कम प्राइस में मिलेंगे। आपको जो स्नैपड्रैगन 865 है वो आपको और कम प्राइस में मिलने के भी चांसेस हैं, जैसे ये थोड़ा ईयर क्रॉस करो। वैसे तो गेमिंग के लिए iQOO 3 काफ़ी बढ़िया है, बट अगर आपको वो UI से आई थिंक आपको प्रॉब्लम हो रहा होगा, तो उसके लिए आप देखो, अगर इसको सेल करोगे, आपके पास 25 हज़ार है, सेल करोगे 33 का हो जाएगा। तो हाँ, बहुत फ़ोन्स हैं, आप वन प्लस का कोई भी ओल्ड फ़ोन ले सकते हो, बहुत बढ़िया चलेगा। अभी भी ओल्ड नहीं लेना है तो थोड़ा वेट कर लो, प्राइजेस थोड़े और ड्रॉप होने वाले हैं, प्लस सेल आ रहा है क्रिसमस वगैरह का, तब मैं आपको डील्स बताऊंगा, तब आप ले पाओगे, ठीक है। इसके बाद विकेट वाइटी पूछते हैं, ये अपना लास्ट क्वेश्चन है आज का। वाह यार, काफी फटाफट आंसर कर दिया मैंने। हैशटैग askromguruji, ये मैं क्यों बोल रहा हूँ बार बार हैशटैग? देखो, पूछ ये डालना जरूरी है, ठीक है, नहीं तो आपको क्वेश्चन आंसर नहीं होगा। हाँ, is there any possibility of having update to upgrade from 60 fps to 90 fps like OnePlus did? And when is monthly update coming? And recently got a theme update. What's your thoughts on that update? Well, theme update was pretty much useless. कुछ नहीं बदला इन्होंने, तो Android 11 का अपडेट दे दिया, उसमें भी UI कुछ चेंज नहीं हुआ है, एक्सपीरियंस बढ़िया हुआ है, उसके बारे में पूरा वीडियो बनाया हुआ है, देखो आई बटन में जाओ। बट वैसे ओके, दिस वाज इन इंग्लिश, बट हिंदी में करके इंग्लिश में बोल देंगे, ठीक है। तो ऐसे कुछ चेंजेस नहीं आए अपडेट में, और रिफ्रेश रेट इज हार्डवेयर बेस्ड, तो वो चेंज नहीं हो सकता। सो बेसिकली टू आंसर योर क्वेश्चन इन इंग्लिश, द रिफ्रेश रेट इज हार्डवेयर बेस्ड, सो इट कांट बी चेंज, राइट? एंड monthly update is already here right now, so I received Android 11. If you want my thoughts on it, go to the I button. And the theme update was pretty much useless, honestly speaking. It did not have a lot. So that was all for this hashtag askromguruji, guys. Next time I'm going to put up a post. All you have to do, put hashtag askromguruji, ask your questions, right? And ask some questions other than iQOO 3, guys. Come on. So yes, I will see you the next time. If you did like the video, please press like, share and subscribe, guys. Please do that, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.